Welcome to my channel about visioning robotics and embedded systems. This video is focused on my Raspberry Pi, and that is Raspberry Pi 1, 2 and 3. They're all connected through the network with Minicom serial, one serial and another serial connection, and via SSH version 6. And why that is, I will explain in a bit. And then this is the screen of the Raspberry Pi 3, which doesn't have an option for, or an easy option for serial connection. So I'll have to do with that. In the meantime, some things to explore with the Raspberry Pis left. They're quite legacy by now, certainly the 1 and the 2. 3 kind of. There are still some updates as I noticed, so I'm going to try and see if that are really updates for this one or fake updates. Anyway, and fake I will explain. Let's go to screencast and see whatever is among them. From a different perspective. Screencast as you know it, but with a slightly different number of terminals. However, first, Raspberry Pi 2, Model B+, Raspberry Pi 1, Model B+, with the original Raspberry Pi camera, supported by visiting extent. Raspberry Pi 3, not connected by serial, but only via SSH version 6. And for those who have never seen my videos on this before, version 6 is because my version 2 or version 4 is no longer usable. My network is one network, and this gets for some reason 0, which means that I can only use SSH version 6, which I do here, or serial via Minicom. Same goes for the Raspberry Pi 2. And as I said in the introduction, Raspberry Pi 3 has no serial connection, so only SSH. Then, as I said, here are some updates, and you can see, or can you see the mouse move? Yes, you can see the mouse move. I will click install on the updating. And I'm very curious on what will happen. Then, while that is busy, right there, slightly turn off the camera, you see another camera. And that one is connected to the Raspberry Pi 2. So I should be able to get a live view once again. And I have to take the correct camera for this. Let's do it via SSH. And just start it. Oh, that's an interesting one. Let's just say this one. And yes, I am getting the view from that other camera, which is quite interesting. It's dark, very dark indeed, while there is light shining, but it does work. So via SSH, it certainly does work. Now, how accurate is it? I'm now holding my hand in front of it. Okay. So, kind of working. And in the meantime, with the installation of packages, oh, that was interesting because it says I can't make a connection to a Russian network. I don't want to do anything with Russian networks at all. Anyway, that's a nice one. Nice start. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I did experiments with camera, that camera, and I did some experiments with the floppy drive. Some experiments with grabbing pictures, making videos, viewing videos, and having to take things into a different direction than I thought. But everything works out, albeit a bit different than initially intended. But that doesn't matter, it works. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. Thank you to my supporters, which are listed on a special page on my website. If you want to support, you can become a patron or a member via Ko-fi. And you can also occasionally support via PayPal and buying me coffee via Ko-fi. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.